Most of what passes for innovation these days is simply planned obsolescence, cleverly disguised. A disposable parade of gadgets. But occasionally something emerges from the noise, a piece of equipment built with a quiet understanding of what tools should actually do. The INKBIRD WIFI Sous Vide Cooker, ISV-100W, is one of those rare exceptions. This unit redefines effortless precision with its integrated Wi-Fi control. We are not talking about a gimmick here. This is an industry standard in the making. Once connected to your home network, you can monitor and control your cooking from anywhere. Imagine waking up on a Tuesday morning. Your perfect eggs are already precisely held at temperature, patiently awaiting your command. No last-minute scramble, just the quiet hum of a machine doing its job, consistently, allowing you to walk into a kitchen where dinner is not just possible, but already on its way to perfection. This 1,000-watt workhorse maintains a homogeneous temperature with barely a whisper, less than 40 decibels. That is a level of refined convenience that, frankly, few other appliances can touch. Its physical presence speaks volumes. The dense, substantial feel of the unit, particularly its robust stainless steel shaft, suggests a tool built for a lifetime of service. This is not flimsy plastic. This is an investment in consistent results. The intuitive LCD touch controls offer a wide temperature range from 77 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, with an astonishing 0.1 degrees Celsius accuracy. Its 99-hour timer and a unique calibration function ensures that every meal is exactly as you intended. Every one of these features is a time saver, a stress reducer, a silent promise of culinary success. Now, it is not without its quirks. The Wi-Fi functionality, while robust, operates exclusively on the 2.4 GHz band, a minor inconvenience for those with more modern 5 GHz networks, but not a deal-breaker. Once you have it connected, it simply disappears into the background, working its magic, a small price to pay for such unwavering quality. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current price.